In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Stripe with QuickBooks. We'll walk through the exact path inside QuickBooks to find the Stripe integration and get to the connection prompt. Before you start, make sure you're signed in to the correct QuickBooks company. It also helps to have admin access because the integrations area may not be visible to limited users. One important note up front: this connection is available only with an active QuickBooks subscription. If you're working in a test or trial environment, you can still follow along to see the flow, but the actual connect option may be limited until your subscription is active. From your QuickBooks home screen, head to the top right corner of the page. You'll see the integrations option near the settings icon. Click Integrations to open the integrations area, then choose Find Integrations. This takes you into QuickBooks App Marketplace, where you can search for the tools you want to connect. In the search bar, type Stripe. If you prefer, you can also browse the recommendations section. Stripe often appears there as a suggested app. When you see the Stripe listing, click it to open its dedicated page. You're now on the overview page for the Stripe add-in. Take a moment here to review the description, features, and compatibility details so you know it's the correct connector for your region and QuickBooks plan. You can also glance at the support information and any notes on pricing or requirements. This page is useful for confirming that the integration aligns with how you plan to use QuickBooks and Stripe together. When you're ready to proceed, look to the top right corner of the Stripe app page. You'll be prompted to connect the app from there. Click the Connect button to begin. If your QuickBooks subscription is active and your permissions allow it, QuickBooks will guide you through the on-screen prompts to authorize the connection. If you're on a test account or your subscription isn't active, you may see a message indicating that only subscribed accounts can complete the connection. That's expected, and the process remains the same once your subscription is in place. If the Connect option doesn't appear, double-check that you're in the correct company file, confirm your user role has app permissions, and verify that your QuickBooks plan supports integrations in your region. That's the full path. Open QuickBooks, go to Integrations, select Find Integrations, search for Stripe, or locate it under Recommendations, review the overview page, and use the Connect prompt at the top right. Follow those on-screen steps, and you'll be set. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.